The body of a 60-year-old farmer was found at Reckford District in Clarendon Thursday morning. The farmer, identified as Joseph Bell, aka Joe Bell, from the district, was believed to have been killed on Sunday, but his body was not found until Thursday, the police said. Reports reaching Observer Online indicated that residents reported hearing loud explosions about 11:45 p.m. on Sunday. Thursday morning, the residents smelled foul odor and went to investigate. Upon searching, the residents discovered Bell's partially decomposed body and called the police. On arrival, lawmen saw the body of the now deceased lying on its left side in a metal shed. He was clad in a multicolored shirt, blue shorts, and barefooted. The body was between a bed and a metal shelf and what appeared to be gunshot wounds to the upper section and the right hand. Police processed the scene and removed the body to the morgue, pending a post-mortem examination. Two men were shot on Wednesday evening just outside the gate to Kingston Public Hospital in downtown Kingston. One of the men, Robert Marley, who was from Golden Heights address in Kingston, has since died. The other man has been hospitalized. Reports from the police are that Marley was sitting next to a pan-chicken man at the entrance to the hospital when gunmen approached on foot about 7 p.m. and opened fire, hitting both of them. Since the gun attack, the police have since identified Everroy Smith, otherwise called Little Giant, of Pink Lane, Kingston 14, as a suspect. They have given him until tomorrow evening to report to them. Meanwhile, healthcare workers and others at the facility are concerned following the gun attack. The police have assured them they will be beefing up their presence in and around the public hospital. Two men were shot and injured while at a wholesale at Waterworks in Frankfield, Clarendon on Wednesday afternoon. The men, whose identities the police have not yet released, have since been hospitalized. Reports are that around 2:07 p.m. the men were at Tour Guide Retail, Wholesale and Restaurant when a silver Subaru motorcar drove up. One man alighted from the vehicle, the police said, and opened gunfire at them. According to reports, one of the men was hit in his left leg while the other received gunshot wounds to both legs. They were rushed to hospital. A motive for the attack has not yet been established.